It landed in there somewhere. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the great blue heron has returned. You can't see it, but it's in there, I swear. I'm gonna pause it and like not disturb it or anything like that. It's moving its head. It's in there. I can see it kind of. I gotta get closer.
It's tall. You can see the tips of its wings.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get a little like different angle. Okay, I don't know exactly the laws on filming these things. I know you can't disturb them or whatever, but I'm on the other side of the river, so I don't think I'm disturbing it. Just if I am, I'll stop. Like I won't approach it because I'm on the other side of the river, obviously. But these are animals that I think is an endangered species. If you can document them, I know I'm not a nature photographer without the lens, but I'm trying to get a little bit of a better shot. That's as absolutely much as I can zoom in. It is dead center. It might fly away and then I'll film it. But it's way over there. So I'm not like disturbing it by any means. Okay, I'm gonna try and get a different angle. I know this is some real amateur footage, but there it is. It's between those two branches. Its head moves sometimes. I would like for it to fly away, but I'm not willing to throw rocks at it or anything. Ooh, it's moving. It's moving. Please fly. Fly. Okay, I'm going to stay right here because the angle's not that bad. I'm sure you can see it moving a little bit in the center of the screen. It's looking at me. That is a great blue heron. I am not disturbing it. I'm on the other side. I'm pretty far from it, actually. As you notice, you can't see it for shit. There it is. They look better when they fly. They are huge. But there's an endangered species, so you can't really get close to them. You're not supposed to interact or whatever endangered species laws are, but I just, leave it the hell alone. Okay, I don't want to move. There it is. I want it to fly away, but it could be there for hours. I would like to catch it flying. If I do, I will. Here. I know, boring, huh? Fucking bird. It's a special bird. Somebody might care. They're hard to catch. There it is. It's freaking ginormous. I wish it would fly. We'd throw a rock at it and make it fly, but that's against the rules. I can't even like make loud noises. You can't disturb them basically. So this is not, obviously I'm not disturbing it. It ain't fucking going anywhere. Oh, it's looking. Come on, dude, fly away, please. Well, if I had a telephoto fucking lens, I could get some amazing like, look, the great blue heron in its natural habitat. Instead of just like, there's a blurry dot over there. It's a rare bird. Maybe I could stabilize the fucking footage or something. Oh, it's moving its head. I want it to fly. Fly. It's never gonna fucking fly. It's gonna be there all day. I totally missed it. It flew away. Damn it. No, I'm kidding. It's still right there. Would that kind of trick you? Here, just to give you an idea, it's over there, and there's a bridge, and then I'd have to walk up there, across the bridge, and then across the field, and then, yeah. But we're not doing that today. We're just gonna sit here and hope it flies away. Two hours later. 2 more hours later. Okay, since I'm here, I'll tell a story. Look, there's a sign somewhere and it says like the great blue heron, blah blah blah. Sometimes it comes here. I literally waited and waited this one spot for days. I'd come back and wait and wait and wait just to get this damn bird in front of its own sign. Okay, and I took the picture and it's funny. And somebody was like, how'd you get the picture of the bird to stand in front of the sign? Days of waiting for this bird to see it in front of its sign, right? Then the person I was with turns around and snaps a picture of it a couple hours before I finally took the picture of it in front of its sign. And I wish I could put like both those pictures in. And the other photographer's picture is, I'm not kidding you, you will, like, I'll put them both up, A or B, like which one do you like? One is like jackass, like look, a bird in front of its own sign, and the other is like fucking, it's absolutely indescribable. Okay, I'm gonna stop this because the bird's gonna be here all fucking day. I'd love to catch it flying, but it's so, I've done it once, all right, and I will give you guys this footage, but there it is. And I was hoping it would fly, but it won't. But I have stocked one of the, I stock these things, like, because I want to do like cute photographs for myself, because it's funny. I don't know. The great blue heron is an endangered species, and I got it in front of a sign that says you may or may not see it. Like, oh well, fucking now they're easy to see. You just took a picture. There it is. Yeah. Oh look, a bird. Nature. Ah. Okay, it's dangerous. There's another fucking bird swimming. I don't know where it is. La 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 la. Where is it? Where the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, maybe the heron will swoop down and attack it. Fucking nature. Get it. Get him. Get him. Anyway, yeah, well, I'm going to end on that note. The heron doesn't do anything. There's just another bird swimming around down. Oh, it's moving its head. Go kick his ass. Come on. Do something. Please? Okay, well, I'll try and get attached to those cool pictures of these birds and some footage of them, but anyway, sorry it wasn't more interesting. I'm bored. Bye. Okay, there it is, right there. I'm actually in a really convenient spot. I'm gonna go up on the bridge and film it from there. There that sumbitch is, right there in the dead center. Trying to sneak up on it. There it is, I'm approaching. Okay, it's walking away. So I'm not going to approach it because if it's walking away, maybe I'm disturbing it. Although it had been going up the river the whole time. Like, I'm not close. And it's just eating shit. I'm not scaring it. doesn't even notice I'm here. It's just standing there. I'm not disturbing it. It's looking for food. I'm walking on a path, like if I wanted to go somewhere and the bird happened to be on the side of the road. It's looking for fish. Way over there. Okay, there it fucking is. Yada yada yada, the giant bird of birdness. Woohoo! Okay, we're done with this thing. I feel like if I get closer, it walks away. So I don't want to disturb it. So it looks pretty chill right now. No, it's just walking up the river. I think it's looking for fish or something. Whatever the hell it eats. I don't know. Anyway, there it is. Yet another blue heron. The great blue heron. Yeah. Sure as hell ain't gonna do anything cool. Oh, wait, it's gonna fight. The great blue heron in its natural environment. It begins to stalk the river. The other little birds come to prey upon the perch. The great blue heron becomes to stalk the bird, to throw it from its territory, owning the entire river, stomping on its prey. Its victims will be murdered senseless by its humongous beaks. The devastating heron itself begins to strike. As it crosses the river, it spreads its wings like Moses, and the water spreads apart. And then yeah, okay, there it is. Kind of cool. All right, you guys have fun.